Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the features and capabilities of our Gfile search component for community users. This will allow your community users to upload new files directly in Google Drive and attach them to Salesforce Record. Once files are uploaded, they can also search and filter those files and perform various actions like download, preview, delete, etc. Let's go through each of these functionalities one by one. First, let's log in as a community user. Open the community site login page and log in using community user credentials. Click on Account tab. Here you can see the accounts list. Open the account record. Here you will see the Gfile search component. And since there are no files attached to this account, it is not showing any files right now. Now, let's first see how to upload new Gfiles for this account record. Click on the Upload button. Click on Choose Files and select the files you want to upload from your local storage. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop files from local storage. Once you've made your selection, you can set the properties of the files. You can change the file name and provide description. Click on Edit if you want to set additional properties of Gfiles like category, file download view type, etc. These file properties are configurable. You can enable and disable these properties as per your needs. Once properties are set, click Save. If you want to remove some files from the list, you can use the delete icon in action. If everything is fine, click Upload. This will create the account name folder in Google Drive and upload all selected files in that folder. You can abort the file upload which is in progress by simply clicking the Abort icon in action. Once all files are uploaded, you will see a success message and newly uploaded files will be displayed in the list. Let's see how you can search files related to the record. If there are large numbers of files attached to the Salesforce record and you want to search the specific files using name, provide the keyword in the search bar and click on Search. You will see all Gfiles whose name contains that keyword. Let's go through the actions available for files. Let's start with Download and Preview. You can download and preview any file related to the record. Click on Download from the menu and it will download the file in your local storage. Once the file is downloaded, you can open that file in your local machine. If you do not want to download it in your local storage, then click on Preview. Preview will load the file directly inside Salesforce and you will not have to download the file in local storage to view it. Next action is Delete. You can enable delete action for community users if you want to allow them to delete Gfile from Salesforce and Google Drive. Let's see how this works. Click on Delete from the menu for Gfile which you want to delete and confirm the delete. This will remove the file from the Salesforce as well as from Google Drive permanently if Soft Delete is disabled and Glink Recycle Bin is disabled. If Glink Recycle Bin is enabled, then deleted Gfile will be moved to Glink Recycle Bin and it stays there for a few days before it gets deleted permanently, and during that time, if you want, you can restore that file from Glink Recycle Bin. Thank you for watching.